This man is the first Pakistani to go around the world. Using nothing but a small plane, he went from airport to airport to airport, showing Pakistani pride everywhere. Why did he do it? Where have you seen him before? And how long did his amazing flight take? Meet Fakhr Alam.
Welcome to Kaku, Pakistan Army School of Physical Training.
He is many things. Fakhr is a musician, a TV show host, and a celebrity. But more than that, he is the first Pakistani to ever go around the globe.
I hope that the mission goes safe and sound.
When he was a young boy, Fakhr always wanted to fly. He dreamed of joining Pakistani's Air Force, but life took him to different jobs. Despite this, Fakhr held on to his childhood dream of one day conquering the skies. While he was doing his TV and music work, Fakhr worked hard to get his pilot license. But just having a license was not enough to fly around the globe, because there are rules that pilots have to follow before doing such a thing. To make his dream happen, Fakhr had to achieve 4 things. 1. He needed to fly a total of 100 hours to begin his trip. 2. He had to fly close to 50,000 kilometers. 3. He can only use one plane. And 4. He has to start and end at the same airport. Once he had all those done, Fakhr began mission Barwaz. For the next 24 days, he reached different countries. He even got arrested. He thought that was the end, but the Pakistani community of many countries helped him. They supported Fakhr, so kept flying and flying and flying until he became the first Pakistani to circle the globe. After a very long distance and thousands of hours, he made history of Pakistan. Fakhr's story is a reminder of our childhood dreams. Do you still remember what you wanted to be when you grew up? This video is your reminder that not even the sky is the limit for all of your dreams.